Have you ever noticed some Muslim scholars, you go to shake their hands and they give you one finger? Some might give you two, some might give you three, some give you a little bit. They don't know to hold your hands properly and shake with. Well, the COVID time is a different exception. Pandemic is a whole different thing. We don't shake hands nowadays. Illa mashallah, inshallah too. But they don't give you the full sunnah that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to practice. Full handshake, hug. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam never moved his hands when someone shook his hands before they moved their hands. Have you shook the hands of some so-called religious people? They don't give you the full hand, they give you a little piece, like if it's a girl hand you're holding. Some of these men you're holding, like so feeble and feminine that you wonder it's a woman you're holding. Like they're scared to give you the whole hand. Because shaitan uses that so-called piety in them to make them think that they are better than other people. So the quality of takabbur and arrogance come into them. So be very careful, my brothers and sisters, our viewers on Alhikmat TV, Facebook, Instagram, worldwide. Be very careful. Shaitan can waswasa and whisper into our hearts and our ears and make us think that we are better than other people. And that will be the sign of takabbur, pride, arrogance, as he does with when we think we have more knowledge than other people and in whatever field.